Residents in several communities in St. Thomas staged a protest on Wednesday, calling on the National Water Commission, NWC, to provide them with a commodity. TVJ Shamela Pullen reports.
Frustration boiling over in St. Thomas. Residents tired of complaining that the parish's water resources are being unfairly channeled off to Kingston, leaving them with little or none, staged a protest on Wednesday.
Over 30 years we don't have any water. We are living by rainwater. Now no rain is falling. We have to buy water. It's very difficult.
If other district over the Jamaica have the water for 3 days, it's pandemonium. And can you imagine over 10 years now me can't get water in my yard?
These residents hail from communities as diverse as Cedar Valley, Trinityville, Port Morant, Bath and Seaforth, calling on the National Water Commission, NWC, to resolve before schools reopen on Monday.
So many children has to go to high school. Where would they get water to bathe and have proper hygiene?
Me get up and me have to go bathe in a bucket. Come on, man. This has been happening for years. Me left here, come back, is the same thing.
They were joined in the protest by Member of Parliament for St. Thomas Western, James Robertson. He told our correspondent he has been meeting with the NWC for years, asking them to bring a reliable water supply to the parish.
The National Water Commission needs to perform. Don't tell me for 20 years about wells. Don't tell me for 20 years about pumps. Don't tell me for 20 years about tanks. Don't tell me for 20 years about 5 bags of cement. There are some areas where it's just a catchment to be fixed. 5 bags of cement.
Mr. Robertson says if the situation is not addressed, then action should be taken against the NWC.
I am saying to the National Water Commission, come to the table, or we are going to, from St. Thomas, lead a call for the change of the leadership of the National Water Commission. I have had meetings under PNP, I have had meetings under JLP. I am not about no politics this morning.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.